Hi, I'm Holly from Spend with Pennies, and today we are going to be making a buttermilk ranch dressing and dip. This dip is one of my daughter's favorite. It's loaded with fresh herbs, parsley, chives, fresh dill, and seasoned with a little bit of garlic and onion. This dip is so good, my daughter eats it with a spoon. So I know you're gonna love this. Let's get started. I have some fresh dill here that we have washed. It's gonna be finely chopped, so you get lots of dill flavor in every bite. And we are going to be adding fresh chives, again, finely chopped. You'll need about 1 tablespoon of each of the herbs in this recipe, so chives, parsley, and fresh dill. Okay, we are going to start with 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, 2/3 of a cup of sour cream. You can use the regular version or you can use the lighter or low-fat version of the mayonnaise and sour cream for this recipe, if you'd like to lighten it up a little bit. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. Buttermilk adds a rich, creamy, sort of tangy flavor. Now we are making a dressing today, but if you'd like to make this into a dip, you can reduce the amount of buttermilk so it'll be a little bit thicker. We're just gonna give that a stir. Okay, next we are going to add in our fresh herbs. So we have fresh chives, fresh parsley, and dill. Next we're gonna season. We're gonna season with a generous portion of salt, freshly cracked pepper, and a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. I find that using fresh garlic in this recipe or fresh onion seems to overpower the herbs. So for this recipe, I like to use garlic powder and onion powder. So we're just gonna give that a stir to combine all of those herbs and seasonings. And this will last about a week in the fridge. It's best if you let it sit about an hour before you eat it, just to allow the flavors to blend. This is a great recipe. You are going to love it. Stop by spendwithpennies.com.